I'm Chetan Anand from Indian badminton player. I play men's singles, and my world ranking is 24 at present, and my best world ranking is 20. So, uh,
Yeah, that's it.
yeah, that's it.
Break. Cut. Yeah.
And yourself?
I'm Jwala. I play doubles and mixed doubles, and current ranking is in doubles it's 66, and in mixed doubles I'm 43.
And how long have you guys been married?
We have been married one and
Past
a half years.
1 year. Yeah, 1 year.
And has it helped your badminton?
It's helped his badminton.
It helped my badminton. I was 100 before marriage, and immediately after marriage, in 3-4 months, I have come into the top 20. So.
Any ideas as to why it may have helped your badminton? Or?
Probably there was lots of criticism, in India. You know how it is in Indian culture. You cannot really go around. You cannot be girlfriend and boyfriend for too long, and all that kind of a distraction probably really doesn't allow you to concentrate completely into. Yeah. So I think that's where our marriage helped us.
And immediately after marriage, we came to Denmark to train under Morten Frost for 3 months. So that also really
Yeah,
helped
that
us.
he really helped us. Yeah.
Okay. And so recently, Gopachan is now the national coach in India. How's Gopachan changed your training?
We don't because I've not trained much under him, and I'm at present playing more tournaments, concentrating on more tournaments. And improving my ranking for the coming Olympics year. So, and
His basic aim is to concentrate more on juniors and to concentrate on 2010 Commonwealth Games, which is not our aim,
Right
not our immediate aim right now.
Right.
So, and it's difficult for us to cooperate with him right now because we need to play lots of tournaments and we need to keep up our ranking. So.
at present we are training under Mr. SM Arif,
SM Arif,
who is the former national coach.
coach.
Okay.
So, and Govardhan Reddy. So,
Okay. And how far do you guys think you can go in badminton?
I'm hoping to get into top 10 by the end of this year. Maybe coming year because Olympics coming up. I hope I really qualify for Olympics and get a medal for India in the Olympics.
And me and my doubles partner playing good, and now we hope to get into top 30 by the end of this year, and let's see how it goes on. But our aim is to qualify for Olympics now.
Okay. And Chetan, do you think you can win the All Englands as Prakash and Gopi have done?
Yeah, definitely I want to win the All England, but I'm not particular about only All England, but I want to do well and I want to stay at the top for a long time, maybe 1 or 2 years, not just win one title and.
Yeah.
And what do you think about the younger Indians coming up? Do you think that India is starting to build a stronger tradition of badminton?
The juniors are really good now and they're playing well and
They're getting lots of exposure,
Yeah.
so it will be good for them. Probably they are very lucky, and they should make full use of it. And yeah, they're doing good now.
they're young and they're playing well, and they're playing freely, so it's good for them.
No pressure.
And lastly, what will you do after you're finished playing professional badminton?
I've not thought about anything because I want to play another 5 years, so I've not thought about anything after badminton. But surely I'll do something
I do.
within badminton only. Yeah.
And yourself?
I have lots of options. You'll come to know. Yeah, I don't want to say anything now, but I've been playing badminton for quite some time now.